Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you my gel polish collection and how I will make in my new nail polish racks. Nail brands sent me so much gel bottles, gels, acrylics, deep powders, and I need much more space. Everyone knows these nail polish racks. It looks nice until you have not too much polishes. So it's time to take it off and make new racks. Okay, everything done, and now you need some handyman. Handyman! Hey!
What's up?
Meet my husband Artem. Today he will show you how to do everything.
Yeah, I'll show you the rest.
First, we need to remove old racks from the wall. If you don't have any, you can skip this step. Next, we need to measure height of the bottles and thickness of a plank. Our total is about 5 inches. This will be the gap between each shelf. Then we need to measure the length of our wall and the length of the plank. We're doing this to make sure our shelves are right in the middle of the wall. Here's how to calculate the numbers. Length of the wall minus the length of the plank divided by 2. 19 inches, that's how much we need to step off the edge of the wall on each side. Draw a 90-degree line from top to bottom. This will help you to put all the shelves properly. Then mark 5-inch gap on this line for each shelf. Now we need to attach angles to our plank. We're using 2 wide heavy-duty angles on each side and 1 smaller heavy-duty angle in the middle. Step 1 foot or 1/8 of the length from the edge, put the angle on the back side of the plank and mark the holes for the screws with the pencil. Do the same in the middle of the plank with smaller angle. You might not need middle angle if you're making shorter shelf. We're using short 1/2 inch screws to attach angle to the plank. Line up the angle with the pencil markings and screw it down. Do the same with the middle one and the other side. And now we have 10 shelves that are ready to go. Line up the shelf on the side markings you did before and mark the wall with the pencil through the angle holes. Next step is drilling. Our plastic anchors suggest to use 3/16 of an inch drill bit. Please note that the nail bits won't work for this. Drill through all the pencil markings you did in the previous step. And now the anchors. We're using 1-inch anchors, so there's no way our shelves will fall down. Slightly put the end of an anchor in the hole you just drilled and hammer it down. Don't hit too hard as you might damage the anchor. Make sure they are all the way inside the wall. And now the final step. Use 3/4 of an inch screws to attach the shelf to the wall. Line up the angle holes with the anchor holes and screw right through them. Start with the middle one and don't screw it tight, as you might need to adjust sides to their respective holes.
So our 10 shells are done. It was pretty inexpensive, pretty quick, and didn't take much sweat. So let's welcome April to take care of the rest.
Ta-da! I am so happy about my new shelves because it was so quick and so cheap. Of course, maybe it's not working for nail salons because of these things, it's not too beautiful, but for home using it's perfect. And now it's time to put all my gel polishes together.
So how much was it? We paid $35 for screws, anchors and angles, and $60 for planks. So the total is about $100, which is less than $10 per shelf. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and ask your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching.